This 5-minute solution will show you how to backdate a Facebook post. Right now, I will show you how you can easily backdate your Facebook profile post and your Facebook page post. First of all, let's see how you can do it in your Facebook profile. So as you can see right now, I'm in my profile and now I want to backdate these posts. So I'm gonna clicking on this three dot and clicking on edit date. And now I'm clicking on date and here's I'm selecting December 2023, 1st December, and you can also change the time and click on done. And I'm going to reloading my profile. And as you can see, the post has been successfully backdated. And now let's see how you can do it for a Facebook page. So I'm going to switching to my Facebook page. And let's backdate this post. So I'm clicking on this three dot, again clicking on edit date. And now I can easily backdate this post. Done. Let's reload this page. And as you can see, the post has been successfully backdated. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.